So here we have it, obviously the TRX chassis with the bomber axles underneath, Power HD 40 kg waterproof servo, Holmes Crawlmaster Sport 550 15 turn, a Hobbywing 1080 and on a 3S LiPo. Unfortunately it's been raining quite hard recently, but you know what, this truck's sort of built for that stuff. Big old tyres, super swamp tyres, lifted, and we got lights as well. So let's get going. So yeah, I really enjoyed it out there. It was very capable, and the good thing about this is it's just all the hardware on here is relatively inexpensive, and honestly it's more fun because you kind of just let loose, and you don't have to baby all your stuff, especially the motor. It held up great. it had enough torque and gave enough wheel speed. Ideally, obviously, I would like to have a bit more torque, because in second gear, when I was going through the puddle, I did feel the truck slow down significantly when it hit the water. It did have enough torque and speed to get through it, but I'd ideally like to have that wheel speed continue when it got into the water. And you know, I actually have something in store. I've ordered up a 775 motor, so that's the motor size that is in the 10th scale full size Summit. But yeah, I think I can make that work, and this ESC is completely capable of pushing that motor, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm probably going to stick to 3S still, since this ESC is only rated for that. But if I need 4S, I also have Hobbywing 880 ESC coming in if the 4S is needed. But anyways, super impressed. Nothing's broken. Obviously, I still had to tear down the axles to clean all the bearings and make sure everything is dry so it doesn't rust and seize. It's been really fun. No broken parts, and I look forward to driving it again.